Did you know that if you recorded your video using a script, you can finish your cut editing in just 1 minute? I'll show you how. When you record a video using a script, you probably end up spending most of your time choosing the best takes among the preparation, practice, and multiple retakes you did before the final recording. First, bring your recorder footage into a sequence in Premiere Pro. Then, open Cutback and go to Auto Rough Cut. And make Cutback analyze your video. After a short wait, you'll see the results like this. First, click Ask Assistant at the bottom, and let's remove the silences. It will delete the silences based on the pace. And next, click Ask Assistant again, and click Cut Video according to script. Paste the script that you used to record the video. And hit Proceed. Ta-da! You're done. The grayed out parts are the part that Cutback seems it's okay to delete. And the white text are the parts that Cutback thinks is better to keep. And you can preview them.
And trust me, once you've started using templates, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them.
If you need to make any changes, you can use shortcuts to add or remove more parts. Once you're satisfied, just click Apply to Sequence. So simple, right? And that's all for today's tip. If you subscribe to the channel and give a like, you can get more tips like this to reduce your editing time. Thank you.